What's good, YouTube? It's your girl liciaparie, and I am back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome and welcome back. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit that post notification bell so you know when your girl posts new videos. Okay, y'all, so I am opening my new laptop, you guys. So excited about it because I've been wanting this laptop that I got, and I got it from Best Buy. So I am extremely excited. Okay, so let me pull this out, y'all. So this is the 15-inch MacBook Air with the Apple M4 chip. So yeah, this is it right here. So yeah, we're just gonna open it. And then also I got I needed to sit here and get a portable SSD. So I got that. I got this kind right here, the Samsung one. This is a 2 TB. So, and one of the reasons why I got this particular one is because it's drop proof and it's waterproof, okay? And it's dust resistant, and you can drop it up to 3 meters. And I don't want to drop it at all, to be honest with y'all, but you know, I have a child, and just in case I'm at the desk or he knock it off the table or something, I know that it won't break and all my stuff will be gone off of it. So that is important for me. Now, if I didn't have a child, that would be totally different, but because I have him, I got this one, okay? And just in case he spills some water or something nearby, I don't have to worry about it messing up either. So that was like my main concern, y'all. So yeah, so we're gonna open this right now, all right? You just have to pull these tabs off. So that's all I'm doing, is pulling this off. And then ta-da! So let's just pull this like this. Here is the charging cable. Boom. The little booklet that they have in here. And then the charger, which looks like this. Let me put this down so I can show y'all. So this is the charger. Now here is the laptop. I am so excited. All right, so let me put this down for a second. Okay, so here we go. Smell like money. Y'all don't understand. I've been wanting another laptop for like years, okay? And I finally got it. So I'm excited about that. It is so pretty, y'all, and so sleek. Your girl is finna be on this laptop 24/7. Like, kid you not, y'all. Video's about to be banging, okay? With that Final Cut Pro, that's $300 that you gotta pay for. But still, it's about to be banging, okay? So, what I'm gonna do is, before I do all that, I'm gonna close this up. Alright. Now, what is this on here? Oh, it's plastic. Okay. Alright. So, y'all, it's a few things that I bought because I knew I was getting it. So, just to make sure I was completely prepared. Alright. I bought a few things off of Amazon. Alright. So, let's just... let me just get this together. Alright, so I have a Michael Kors purse, a black Michael Kors tote that I basically use as my laptop bag. Yes, I use it as my laptop bag. So that's basically what I put my laptop in. But my cover, I bought this cover off of Amazon. So this right here is just a plain laptop cover. And then it has a compartment right here also. So I got this to put my laptop in. And then that's my laptop talking. I will do that in just a second. I also got this sparkly, it's like a midnight case. So this one, it came with the case. I don't know if y'all can really see it. Came with the case. It came with the keyboard also. And it came with a screen protector. Now, I read the reviews about the screen protector and they wasn't all good. So I'm not going to use this screen protector. I bought a separate screen protector that I'm going to use that's way better. So, yes. This is... let me use my keys to open this. And I normally get the hard case because they always work good for me. I've never had a problem with the hard case. Well, they made sure this was wrapped completely wet. Yeah, so here's one, here's the other one, and then this right here. So y'all can see it. Okay, so I got that. Y'all, I was on Amazon and I was like, look, I need my stuff to be here so that I can just slide it on my laptop and be completely done. Hold on. Now, it's in this box, should be the screen protector. Okay, so this is it. This is the screen protector right here. And then it comes with 2 screen protectors inside, okay? And these are the anti-glare ones, so yeah. That's what I got. I just wanted to make sure that I had everything because when I set this up and put my stuff up on there, I just wanted it to all be here all at once. Now I have to erase everything off of my old laptop, y'all. My old laptop, she was holding me down, okay? So this one is my old one, y'all. Yes, she held me down. It's my old MacBook Air. The screen a little dirty, but whatever. But it's my baby, but it's time for my new baby. So yeah, and that's why I say I like hard cases, y'all, because this case right here that I got from my old one was also off of Amazon, and it was like it was the same kind I bought this time for my new one. And I have dropped this once, and when I dropped it, it literally fell like this, slanted, and it was like boom boom. So nothing broke. The case didn't break, my laptop didn't mess up, nothing. So those hard cases are in very, very good shape, and they're very great quality. Let me be honest, okay? So also, the brand of this one, I've gotten this before too. So I just bought another one, and this is just regular. So I will put my laptop in here and then put it in my tote. Okay, y'all, so I will show y'all what it looked like after I set it up, put the cover and all of that. After I do all of that, and I need to set up my laptop. So I'm about to do that and play with it because it's so beautiful. And the color of this one is midnight blue. So that was my color. It was either that or black, and I could have waited for the black one, but I'm just like, oh, let me just get the blue one, because y'all know I love blue. Blue is my favorite color. So yeah. So I need to set up my Wi-Fi now. I just did all that, set it up, and be done. And this is the 15-inch, like I said.
Every corner I turn, I define new direction. No time for distraction, I get only one mission. Not to level up, my energy they high like currents. Waiting them talk before, today no relevant. I they build my kingdom, brick by brick, solid foundation. No need to rush the progress, I get divine compensation. The jazz in the sample, they give me the vibe.
So yeah, so you know, normally I get all of my electronics from Best Buy, normally. Okay, so I got this laptop from Best Buy. I got my other stuff from Best Buy. My old laptop is from Best Buy, and never had a problem. Like, normally with Best Buy, y'all know they have the Geek Squad, so their warranty is always good. I always pay for like the 3-year warranty. You know, anything happens to it, bye bye bye, you know, you take it back. If they can't fix it, they replace it. Okay, so that is why your girl always go to Best Buy, because they're awesome. Like, I wouldn't buy my electronics from anywhere else. So yes, so if y'all like this video, make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all comment down below, and also subscribe, okay? And watch your girl, all right? I'm entertaining, believe it or not. You know what I'm saying? Like, watch me. I know y'all want to watch me. But if you're new here, thank you for watching. And if you've been here, also thank you for watching, okay? Till next video.